let me teach you the unlinking of the rubber bands. Most times I've seen it done with rubber bands this color, like regular office rubber bands. I bought color rubber bands. I'm going to use yellow ones now. If I take the two rubber bands, link them together, and blow on them, they come apart. It's a beautiful trick. It's being done all in one move, as you saw, and it's actually very simple to do. If I take the two rubber bands, again, link them together. I'm righty, so my right hand is on top. My left hand is right here. I'm going to show that the rubber bands are linked together. I'll do once, twice. This is the reason for what I'm going to do next, because there has to be a reason for everything you do in magic. So I pull here once, twice. Now on the third time that I'm going to pull, or it doesn't matter, you can do a couple of more times when they're linked, but when I pull back, what I do is I put the middle finger on top of this finger's nail. I pull back and crawl in my fingers. What happens is the rubber band comes onto my middle finger, and now this finger is free. So from here I'm coming in to where the thumb is. Okay? Now, oops, I know it looks weird, but that's what you actually do. Oops. Doing it so slow, one of the rubber bands flew. Going back, taking the rubber band with this finger, comes into where the thumb is from here. Now, as I let go of the middle finger, okay, obviously it should not hear anything. It's being done a bit more discreetly. But at the same time, I'm pulling back. I'm doing one or two more stretches to conceal actually what I just did, even though it really cannot be seen. So I do once, twice, put the fingernail, pulling back, coming back with the finger, letting go of the middle finger, doing one, two more stretches, come back to the middle, and you're almost home free. The next couple of things you should make sure of. Do this. Okay, I steal it, I come back, stretch once, twice. Now I come back to the middle. Make sure you're not bending the rubber bands inwards. It's not a natural way, because if it was, they were really linked, the only way you can pull them together is outwards. So make sure that when you are in this position, make sure that the rubber bands are straight and not bending in at any point. Obviously, make sure they're not apart. That's why the position to the spectator is important, because you should look at it, do it in front of a mirror and see how you do it, or tape yourself. But make sure that you're holding it straight, not bending inwards, and you can rub it, you can rub a little bit, make sure it's not being, you're not lifting up the rubber bands. And now when I end the trick, what I do is when the rubber bands are stretched, I close my fingers just a little bit and do this. So when I get them apart, I think it looks more dramatic than just pulling back. So let me do it from the beginning. 1, 2, pull back, steal, come to the middle, and do this. I've seen it done with. I'm not good at doing this, so I'm not going to try. But if you learn how to do it, it looks great. I do the blow on it and stretch my fingers out. Find your way of doing it. Practice it in front of a mirror. It's a beautiful trick. It's a lot of fun. Enjoy it. Good luck.